hope you all are fine. So in previous video we had discussed about unit vector. Okay, so in this video we will discuss some one more point related to unit vector. Okay, so let's see that point. Unit vector along any vector like r vector, okay, is defined as unit vector along any vector, like r vector is defined as r cap is equal to r vector by magnitude of r vector. Okay, so if here is r vector and by if we put modulus, then the arrow is removed. Okay, so r. Okay, so here this one is the main point. Unit vector along any vector is defined as r vector. R cap is equal to r vector by magnitude of r vector is equal to r vector by r. Because why? Because if we put modulus, then the arrow is removed. Okay, and now solve some question. Now we solve some question related this thing. Okay, first question is, if r vector is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. Okay, if r vector is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, then find magnitude of r vector. First, magnitude of r vector. Okay, and unit vector along r vector. Okay, first question is that if r vector is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, then find a magnitude of r vector and b unit vector along r vector. Okay, so first of all we have to find magnitude. If we put modulus, then the arrow is removed. Is equal to if we put modulus, then the okay is equal to root under coefficient of I cap square coefficient of I cap power whole square plus coefficient of j cap whole square plus last one is coefficient of k cap Okay, now solve further. Root under coefficient of I cap. coefficient of I cap is 3. Here you can see that coefficient of I cap is 3. Okay, so 3 square plus coefficient of j cap. Coefficient of j cap is 2. Okay, so 2 square plus 2 square plus last one is plus coefficient of k cap. Coefficient of k cap is 1. Okay, 1 square plus 1 square. Now root under 3 square 9 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to root under 40. This is our answer. Okay. And now second one is we have to find a unit vector along R vector. Okay. B R cap is equal to R vector by magnitude of R vector. Okay. So if we put modular, then the arrow is removed. So you can also write like this. Okay. R vector is equal to R vector is equal to 3I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. Okay, so write down R vector is equal to R vector is equal to 3I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. Okay, by R. R is equal to 40. Here you can see magnitude of R vector is equal to 40. Okay, by root 40. This is our answer. Okay, so I hope you understand this question very well. Okay, so now move to our next question. Very simple question now. So my second question is, if P vector, okay, P vector is equal to 2I cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, meter. If P vector is equal to 2I cap plus, minus 3j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, meter, then find A, P, B, P cap. Okay, so first we have to find magnitude. Okay, you can also write like this. P vector, if we put modular, then the arrow is removed, is equal to P. Okay, and B, P cap. Now let's find solution. P is equal to root under coefficient of I cap square 2 square plus coefficient of j cap square, so minus 3 is minus 3 square plus coefficient of k cap square. Okay, so 2 square. Now solve for the root under 4 plus 3 square 9 plus 4. Okay, we know that if sorry. So if our answer is what? Our answer is 17. Yes, 17. This is our answer. Okay. And second one is we have to find p cap. Okay. P cap is equal to p vector by p, because if we put modulus then the arrow is removed. Okay, so p vector is equal to 2I cap. P vector is equal to 2I cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap. Okay. Alright. 2I cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap. Yes, 2k cap by p is equal to root 70. Okay. This is our answer. And or you can also write like this. Or you can also write like this. 2 by root 70 I cap minus 3 by root 17 j cap plus 2 by root 17 k cap. Okay, this is our answer. So I hope you understand very well this question. Now move what next question. So our next question is, if a vector is equal to 3I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap and b vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap, then find a magnitude of a vector, b magnitude of b vector, okay, and c a vector plus b vector, and d a vector minus b vector. Okay, d a vector minus b vector, e a vector plus b vector, magnitude of a vector plus b vector. Okay, and f magnitude of a vector minus b vector. Okay, and g1 is a cap, h is b cap, I unit vector along a vector plus b vector, a vector plus b vector. Okay, ij j magnitude of A vector plus magnitude of B vector. We can write first, J unit vector along A vector minus B vector, okay, and K last K A vector, magnitude of A vector plus magnitude of B vector. Okay, let's solve this question one by one. So first, if A vector is equal to 3i cap, A vector is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, okay, and B vector is equal to I cap plus j cap, then find A, magnitude of A vector. Okay, so let's find magnitude of A vector. First one, A, magnitude of A vector. Okay, solve this question. Root under coefficient of I cap, coefficient of I cap square, coefficient of j cap square, and coefficient of k cap minus 1. Okay, square. Now we can see that coefficient of I cap is 3 square plus j cap 2 square plus minus 1 square. Okay, now root under 9, 3 square 9 plus 4 plus 1, root under 40. Okay, this one is our answer. Okay, and now this one is our answer. And now B, we have to find magnitude of B vector. Okay, magnitude of B vector is equal to root under coefficient of I square, coefficient 1, coefficient of I is 1, coefficient is Z is 2, and coefficient of K is 0 because okay, 1 plus, now B1 is magnitude of B. Okay, so coefficient of first coefficient of I square. You can also write, if we put magnitude modulus, then the arrow is removed. B is equal to root under I1 1 square plus 2 square plus okay. Now solve further. Root under 1 plus 4 root under root 5. This one is our answer. Now C1 is A vector plus B vector. Okay, so we have to plus A vector plus B vector, and okay, A vector plus B vector, coefficient of I 3, A vector plus B vector, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 4 I cap C, A vector plus B vector. Is 4 I cap plus 4 I cap plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 4 j cap. Okay, write down 4j cap, 4j cap, and dot k cap, minus 1 plus nothing. So minus 1, k cap is minus. Okay. A vector plus B vector is equal to 4I cap plus 4J cap minus K cap. Okay, and next we have to the next one is A vector minus B vector. A vector minus B vector. Okay. We have to minus A vector. Okay. A vector minus B vector. Okay. A vector is equal to A vector is equal to 3I cap plus 2J cap minus K cap. What? 2 A vector is equal to 3I cap plus 2J cap minus K cap. Okay. Minus B vector. Okay. B vector is equal to I cap plus 2J cap. So B vector is equal to that I cap plus 2J cap. Okay. Now let's subtract. Three I cap plus 2J cap minus K cap. Plus minus is into plus minus 2J cap. Okay. Now yes, 2J cap plus 2J cap minus 2J cap is cancelled. So what? 3I cap minus I cap. 3 minus 1 2. 2I cap minus K cap. Very simple. Hope you understand. Now DE. A vector plus B vector. Magnitude of A vector plus B vector. Okay. So let's magnitude of A vector plus B vector. E. E is equal to magnitude of A vector plus B vector is equal to root under what? Root under A plus B, 4I cap plus 4J cap minus K cap. Okay. So root under coefficient of A plus B is equal A vector plus B vector is equal to 4I cap plus 4J cap minus K cap. So root is equal to magnitude of A vector plus B vector is equal to root under coefficient of I cap is I cap 4 square plus 4 square plus minus 1 square. Okay. Write down here that 4 square plus coefficient of J 4 square plus minus 1 square. Okay. 4 coefficient of I square coefficient plus coefficient of j square plus coefficient of k square. Coefficient of k square is equal to -1. Okay, so that's why I written here -1. Now solve for the root under 4 square 16 plus 16 plus 1 is equal to 33. 33, yes. Okay, and now EF. If magnitude of A vector minus B vector. A vector minus B vector is equal to A vector. Yes, here you can see that A vector minus B vector is equal to F. Magnitude of A vector minus B vector. Is equal to A vector minus B vector is equal to, here you can see that A vector minus B vector is equal to 2I cap. Sorry. A vector minus B vector is equal to 2I cap minus K cap. Okay. Now magnitude of is root under 2 square plus 1 square. Sorry, plus minus. Why? Because here you can see that A vector minus B vector is equal to 2I cap minus K cap. Okay. So here that's why root under 2 square and coefficient of K is equal to -1 square. Okay. Now solve for the root under 4 plus 1 is equal to root under 5. Okay. Now F G A cap. Okay. F G. Now A cap. A cap is equal to A vector by magnitude of A vector. Okay. So A vector is equal to 3I cap. A vector is equal to A vector is equal to 3I cap plus 2J cap minus K cap. A vector is equal to where? Yes. A vector is equal to 3I cap plus 2J cap minus K cap by magnitude of A vector. Okay. Magnitude of A vector is equal to 40. So root 40. Not only 40. Root 40. So A cap is equal to A vector by magnitude of A vector. So magnitude of A vector is equal to 40. Yeah. This is the answer. Okay. And H. Now H. Where is H? B cap. Okay. Now H is B cap. B cap. Okay. which is b cap. B cap is equal to b vector by b magnitude of b vector is equal to b vector is equal to what? B vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap. I cap plus 2j cap by, and what is the magnitude of b vector? It's 5. Magnitude of b vector is equal to root 5. Okay. B cap is equal to b vector by magnitude of b vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap by root 5. Okay. Now I where is I? Yeah. I unit vector along a vector plus b vector. Unit vector along a vector plus b vector. Okay. I unit vector along a vector plus b vector. Yeah. A vector plus b vector. Okay. So unit vector a vector plus b vector is equal to a vector plus b vector by magnitude of a vector plus b vector. Okay. Unit vector, here is the point that unit vector along any vector is defined as like this. Okay. So same thing I do here. Now a vector plus b vector is equal to, let's see what is a vector. Which number? A vector plus b vector. 4I cap plus 4j cap minus k cap. Okay. And what is the magnitude of a vector plus b vector? Let's see. The magnitude of a vector plus b vector is equal to root 33. Is equal to what? I think 4I cap. Yeah. 4I cap plus 4j cap minus k cap by root under 33. This is our answer. And now next question is last second. Unit vector along a vector minus b vector. Unit vector along a vector minus b vector. Let's see. Last second, it is j. Unit vector along a vector minus b vector. Okay. Is equal to a vector minus b vector by magnitude of a vector minus b vector. Oh, what is the value of a vector minus b vector? Here is a1. Yes, here. A vector minus b vector is equal to 2I cap minus 2I cap minus what? K cap. 2I cap minus k cap. Yes, 2I cap minus k cap. Write down here. 2I cap minus k cap by the magnitude of a vector minus b vector. magnitude of, where is magnitude? Magnitude of a vector minus b vector is equal to root 5. Okay, so we can take root 5 by root 5. Now last. The last one is magnitude of a vector plus magnitude of b vector. Okay, magnitude of a vector plus magnitude of b vector. Magnitude of a vector, yeah, magnitude of a vector is equal to root 40 and magnitude of b vector is equal to root 5. Now last k. Magnitude of a vector plus magnitude of b vector is equal to, magnitude of a vector is equal to 40, root 40, yeah, root 40 plus root 5. Okay, so this is our answer. So I hope you understand all this question. This one and this question. And this point also, that unit vector along any vector is defined as like this. Okay, r cap is equal to r vector by magnitude of r vector and is equal to r vector by, if you put modulus then the arrow is removed. Okay, so I hope you understand. Hold the video. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.